Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. How you doing? I'm doing good. And in today's video, guess what we're doing? I'm doing a dynamic duo double dipper skipper. That's right. So, you know Jess is all about the giveaways. So, let me see what's in this. So, we got, look at this cute little thing. I think it's because it's graduation time. There's a tassel on it. That's what I'm thinking. I don't know. What y'all think? I'm thinking so. It looks like graduation tassel to me. A small graduation tassel. These, let me tell you, shipping is slow. It's slow right now. I ordered something off of IPSY and it still ain't here, and I need it. I need it really bad because I'm out of what I ordered to replace it. So we ordered, these are pretty good. These are pretty good mystery bags. These are mystery bags. My girlfriend over on True Wants, I think she opened hers the other day. I was watching it. And so this comes with a time to hydrate essential day moisturizer for normal to dry skin. Whoops, for normal to dry skin. That's a pretty good size. It's 75 mils, 2.5 fluid ounces. That's a lot. 2.5 fluid ounces, right? Yeah, I think that's a pretty good size. Then it comes with the original Hemp's Herbal Body Moisturizer, Hydrate Plus Nourish. Then it comes with the Auto Balm Girl Powder, Cheeks on the Go. Yeah. It's a blush. It's cute. This is a good color. Then it comes with, this is not opened. I'm not going to open it. But I'm thinking this looks like Ilamasqua. No. Well, for Pete's sake. I can't see. Antimatter lipstick. Okay, it's a lipstick. I don't know. In Cosmic. I don't know what it is, but it's a lipstick. But anyway, I can't. I swear that looks like the Ilamasqua. Maybe it don't. I can't get it to show up. But anyway, that's what's on the end of it. It's a lipstick. It's sealed. I ain't opening it. Pure Lace Lotus, Blue Lotus 4-in-1 Cleansing Milk. Here. So that's what's in here. And then I've got another one. Just wanted to buy two. So we bought two. She wanted to do a dynamic duo double scooper. Scooper duper. Super duper double scooper. Super duper double scooper. So that's what we're doing. So somebody on the premiere is going to get one, and then I got one to give away for regular, for real. So it's going to come in this little IPSY bag. I'm going to tape it back up. The other one I hadn't even opened. I got it all right back up in here. So there you go. I took my shipping label off. I'm going to put somebody else's shipping label on it. Sending it back out. I'm probably going to put, I might put something else up in here. Because you know what I got? I got I got 2 bags. I got one bag that's full of some sun bun. This was free stuff. I got a Betty Boop palette. I got some Garnier Micellar and some Burt's Bees. So I got that in this bag. And a bag that says hello. This was free from the CVS. So I got that. And then I got another bag that was free from the Ulta. Look at how cute that bag is, see? Got that bag. And that bag has all this stuff in it. Look, it's full, it's just chock full of stuff. And this bag has some Alterna Caviar Anti-Aging Multiplying Volume Styling Mist. It's got some Shiseido 50 Plus Synchro Shield. It's got some First Aid Beauty Face Cleanser. It's got a NARS High Pigment Long Wear Eyeliner. It's got some Sexy Big Hair Boost Up. It's got Light DeGioia. I don't even know how to say that. It's got Gentle Steam Eye Mask. It's got AG Reconstruct Hair Care. It's got all kinds of stuff. Oh, it's got a I don't know where the package is for it. Oh, it's the package. It's got, what is this? A makeup eraser. The original makeup eraser. It's got a tester of that. Okay. It's got a Mankind Legacy by Kenneth Cole. Strivectin Tighten and Lift Peptide. Some peptides in there. Tighten up, baby. It's got some Vichy Mineral 89 Booster. It's just got all kinds of stuff in here that I thought somebody might want to try and have. So it's got a tinted moisturizer, Goodness Glows by Burt's Bees. So yeah, I just thought I would send somebody one and send the other person the other. And this is a cute little makeup bag, right? So I got this for buying some stuff at Ulta. They sent it to me, and so I thought I would send it to one of you. So yeah, one will go with one bag and one will go with the other bag. So I just thought that I would send that out as well. So all you have to do is say, enter me, and you will be entered. And so once we get done with the video, or you can do it now or whatever, if you're in the live, then just hop down and say enter me, and as soon as we get off of the live feed, about 10 minutes after, 5 minutes after, whatever, I will put through one group through the random comment picker, and I will just pin the comment to the top and let you guys know that way, and on the community tab, who wins the goodie bag for the being in the live premiere. And then for just the regular bag, then we will draw for that next Sunday, a week from today, for the regular bag, just like regular. And so, yeah, so good luck. And yeah, that's, oh, I know. Such a dingbat. So I have to do my disclaimer that this is in no way, shape, form, or fashion affiliated with YouTube. Me and Jess bought this because we wanted to do a giveaway, and because we love you, and we just wanted to do this because every once in a while we do. And you don't have to really do anything but just say enter me and be subscribed to our channel. And that's really all you got to do, is just say enter me, be 18 years or older, have a U.S. shipping address, and say enter me. And that's really it. That's all you got to do. And you know, that's it. That's it. Okay, so if you want to win a little goodie bag, then just hop down and say enter me, and we'll be happy to enter you. We are going to do our selections via the random comment selector, the random, what in the heck is that thing called? A random comment picker. You know, the thing that does it. And whatever in the heck that thing's called that picks your name out of the thing that goes, that's the one. That's what we're going to use. And then yeah, that. Man, this is so crazy. Oh my goodness. So anyway, we're going to use the random comment picker. That's how we're going to select you. We're going to put your names in it, and it's going to do its thing, and it's going to pull somebody out the hat. And that's who's going to get the baggie. And then we're going to do it again in a week for the regular drawing. So, whatever. That's what we're going to do. I hope you're having a great day. I hope you're having a great Sunday and ready to start your week tomorrow. And love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you later. Smooches, everybody. Bye-bye. Till next time.